Morning, good afternoon, good evening, my wonderful friends all over the world, depending on wherever you are watching me from or when you come across this video on this platform. I am so much delighted to connect with you once again on this platform. It is still your favorite mental and dental health expert. I am here today to talk about some harmful practices that we do with regards to our dental health. Some of these bad habits that probably we've learned over the years or we have engaged in over the years that actually harms our teeth or our mouth generally. So today I will mention there are a good number of them, but I will mention just three or four because they are the most common among different peoples of the world. So in case you are among the categories of these ones I'm going to mention, or you know anyone who engages in any of them, please call their attention to this video so that they will see how harmful those practices are and make very conscious effort to avoid them or find a way to stop them. As we go on, try to subscribe to this YouTube channel by pressing the subscription button and turn on the notification button so that once this kind of information comes up on this platform, you will be the very first to know firsthand to get this information quickly. And please like this video and share it widely, share it in different platforms, share it to your friends, families, especially those people that you know that engage in any of these harmful practices I am going to mention, or even if you are among those, so that you'll also know what to do and avoid them is very important. So number one is using your mouth as a bottle opener or cork opener, as the case may be. You see, some people when they go for occasions or for events, they serve them drinks, corked drinks, bottled drinks. They are so impatient or they are so thirsty, depending on whatever the situation is, that they will be very impatient to wait for an opener or to request for an opener. They will just convince themselves that their tooth or rather their teeth is a magical opener, and they will go ahead and use their teeth to open these drinks. One thing with dental issues is that it doesn't happen just immediately. It takes time. When you do these things, you may not feel the impact immediately or you may not feel the effect immediately, but somehow you may have activated what we call hairline fracture without knowing it. Gradually you try it again or you may not even, before you know it, you try to breathe in cold air or you try to take something cold or something hot and you start feeling shock. Aha, it means that what you requested for, it has come back. So you see, at that moment you are enjoying the drink, happy, you may not know the harm you have already caused to your teeth, as the case may be. So please, anytime, no matter how thirsty you are, no matter how impatient you are, try to be patient enough. There is a reason why the people that produced the opener produced it. Everything has its own function. Please, your teeth is not meant to open corked drinks. It is not any of its functions, please. So don't, if you engage in this kind of harmful activity, please from today start desisting from that. If you know anyone who also engages in that, please kindly advise them. That's why I say share this video widely so that they can also know that it is a very harmful practice. Number two, smoking. Smoking. A lot of people smoke a lot of things these days, and smoking causes a lot of issues to the teeth and the oral health generally. One of the things it does is that it causes very terrible stains to the teeth and also mouth odor. So please, we encourage, if you can stop smoking, please do. If you know anyone who does that and you can advise the person to stop, please do. That's why even the companies that produce some of these things, they will still write and tell you that smokers are liable to die young. So you won't say that you are not told. So, but I'm just telling you the harmful effect it has on your teeth. The next one is use of sharp objects in our teeth. Most times when we eat, after eating, there will be some leftover food particles. Yes, it happens, normal. You know, we normally advise you just gargle with water, rinse, or use your dental floss to floss. That's actually why that dental floss was produced. It's actually to help floss those things. But you see, many of us don't even know, and some feel that the dental floss is not even giving them the feel of what they wanted. And you see them resorting to using things like toothpicks, nails, pins, to remove these food particles. And I tell you, in the process of using those harmful objects to remove these food particles, you do a number of harmful damages to your teeth and your gum. Number one is that you can actually poke your gums and they will start bleeding and they will be very painful. You know. Number two is that when you put them in between the teeth to remove those things, the normal space between the teeth, you might begin to widen them without knowing. And the effect is that next time, that part will now tend to hold more food particles than it normally holds before. And gradually, without you knowing it, as they pack there, get into the gum, get deeper, get wider, it will turn out to become what we call periodontal pocket, which can be a very serious and very painful dental condition. So I encourage you to avoid some of these harmful practices. The next one, the last but not the least, actually, is not brushing your teeth. I don't understand. Some people can go 2, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 1 week, 7 whole days without brushing their teeth. I know it's like a shock to you, but I'm telling you, there are people who can go 1 week without brushing their teeth. So you can imagine how terrible it could be. So please, if you are such persons or you know anybody that does not brush their teeth 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 1 week, that is awful. So please call their attention to this video. Make sure you brush your teeth at least 2 times every day. The last thing before you go to bed and immediately after your breakfast in the morning. Because when you brush your teeth is clean, your mouth is clean, you have good breath. When you interact with people, people are happy talking with you. Not when they talk with you, the odor coming out from your mouth is making them uncomfortable. You keep on losing friends, losing relationships, losing deals, and all that. People wouldn't want to come close to you. You'll be wondering why is everybody running away from you? Why is everybody not trying to associate with me or something? They don't like the odor coming from your mouth because you've not brushed your teeth for the past 1 week or for the past 4 days. It's so wrong. So please, if you are one of those people or you know any of them, please share this video to them. Make sure you brush your teeth 2 times every day. When we engage in daily activities, we don't just use our mouth just to eat. We talk, we interact, just like the way we breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. The same thing when we talk, when we engage, we eat, things go into our mouth and all that. It is just necessary that we brush out some of these things so as to keep the mouth clean. And that's why I said, after some time, some of these things could have gotten to places that even your toothbrush will not be able to remove them. And that's why we encourage you to go for professional dental cleaning at least once every 6 months, so that professionally those ones can be removed from those places that your toothbrush may not be able to get to. So please, if you are among those that engage in any of these harmful practices I've just mentioned now, kindly stop today. Or if you know any of them, advise them, share this video to them so they can learn and know that those things they do, they are very harmful. As I want to repeat some of these things again, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly press the subscription button, turn on the notification button so I can get this information anytime it comes across you. And please like this video and share it to your family and friends so that their dental health can be well and properly managed. avoid smoking, avoid using harmful sharp objects in your mouth. Please brush your teeth 2 times every day. It is very, very, very important. Don't go long without brushing. How can you stay a whole day and you've not brushed your teeth and you feel comfortable and you think people around you will also feel comfortable? I think that the answer is no. So to keep those relationships, to keep those friends, to keep everyone around you happy, make sure you avoid any of these things. And finally, please don't be in a haste to use your teeth to open a corked drink. Your teeth is not meant for that. There's an opener produced specifically to open drinks. Don't turn your teeth to opener. Use your teeth to smile, use it to eat, use it to converse with people, and enjoy your life. And until I come your way next time, avoid these harmful practices and make sure you share this video, this wonderful information to your family and friends so they can also benefit from these things you have just learned. Until I see you next time, stay healthy dentally. God bless you.